How to change your Wi-Fi password using your phone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are also using Android phone or just your phone, you just have to head over to your Google Chrome browser, and if you want to change your Wi-Fi password, what you want to do is just head over to Google Chrome browser or any of your browser and just search in for 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1. So in my case, I have viewed the code for my router, which is 192.168.1.254. So I'll just select any of this and I'll just click on login admin from over here, which will take me to this page, and I'll just have to click on this link over here and it will redirect me to this particular page. And if it's not asking you for login, that means you have already saved your password, and it might ask you for your login page. So let me just show that as well. So if it asks for your login page, just click on login and it should be like this. So at first you just have to enter your username. For most routers it's either admin or admin password, so it depends. If you can't find your username and password, it's probably written on back side or left side of your router, so you may want to check there and just click on login. So once you log into your account, just head over to your, just zoom it a little bit and head over to your network section from over here, and under your network section you might see, depending upon your network choice, I have two different network, that is 2.4 and 5G. So I'll just select any one of these, and once I click on it, you just head over to right section and there is an option called WPA key, as you can see on the screen. And from over here all you have to do is just delete this password and just enter the password of your choice and just save. Hit the save button over here, and just like that you have successfully changed the Wi-Fi password using your mobile device. So that is exactly how you do that, guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.